conference and smart manufacturing I truly enjoyed because I learned a lot from my colleagues. There were significant business cases that we were discussing and learning about best practices that are in the market, and most importantly, the new technologies. And the networking and the connection to collaborate in the future was incredible.
I really liked how she highlighted people as a focus with technology. I have been very against that, I will admit, and it's very strange to be at the Smart Manufacturing Conference and feel that way. But as a manager, it allowed me to look from a different perspective on how technology and the people is what's going to help drive the company forward in the future and to reach our goals and initiatives. So to really understand that you have to have that people aspect, you can have as much technology as you want, but you have to make sure you have the people aspect in place. That really resonated with me as a leader.
I think starting with a dinner on the first evening really helps getting people connected to each other, sharing on a more casual environment on a dinner with them their experience and grouping people together, which really brought a good stimulation for a general network afterwards. And I think the second evening then with the reception, cocktail reception, really helped as well, also for the sponsors there, because then you could discuss in a casual way what new technology they offer, what are the capabilities they bring, and what are the challenges you have, and exchange that as well with your peers within the market segment and with other participants in the event.